Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this super cute Tuscan door miniature, and you can just decorate your space with this super cute mini door along with the flower decoration. So I will share each and every step from scratch, how to make the brick wall, how to make the door along with pink flowers, stairs and miniature flower pot. And this looks super cute. This is the specialty of European architecture, and you can simply stand it on your desk or you can just convert it into fridge magnet. So without any delay, let's start with procedure. Here I'm taking 8 by 12 centimeter cardboard pieces and I'm joining these pieces together. Here I have joined total 4 to 5 layers to make thick base of cardboards like this. Connected all together using glue, burnish it nicely, and now I'm wrapping it using one thick sheet. And on top I am adding one more thick sheet to cover it from other side. So the base for our wall is ready. Then I am taking here 6 by 1 centimeter cardboard strip and I am starting with making the stairs. So I am joining again some cardboard strips together to make nice thick stairs. So here I have added total 10 to 12 layers of cardboard strips and height is approx 1 centimeters after adding all the pieces together. Now I am wrapping this whole bunch using white cardstock. And this cardstock measures 3 by 6 centimeters. So this is completely ready. Similarly, I have prepared one more staircase which is 9.3 by 1.5 centimeters. So by adding both the stairs, it should look like this. Then taking back my base and I am sticking these stairs with the base like this. The height of both the stairs is 1 centimeters. Now to make roof, here I am taking cardboard strip which is 9.3 by 3 centimeters. I have just folded the roof like this. From front I have folded it at 1.7 centimeters. So just adding B6000 glue and connecting the roof on top of the wall like this. And this is done. Then it's time to create the door. So here I am taking 5.5 by 8 centimeter cardboard strip which will come as a door in the front. So I am just outlining my door using pencil because before attaching the door I am just decorating the wall using bricks. So to create bricks, here I am taking 5 mm cardboard strip, just dividing in small pieces like this to make the small bricks, and then taking back the base and start attaching these bricks one by one to cover the wall. I am not covering the door portion using bricks because anyways we are attaching the door later, so there is no point to cover it with bricks. So all other area around the door I am going to cover with brick pattern. So just completing it, and after attaching bricks it should look like this, so pretty. And then to make it nice texture, I am here adding mixture of glue and water and then sticking piece of tissue paper on top of this to make it more sturdy, and it will give nice effect to your brick pattern. So covering each and every part of brick using tissue paper. So after connecting the tissue paper on bricks, it should look like this. Now on the stair part, I am attaching these small tiles which are 1 by 1 centimeters, and these are cardboard pieces. Similarly, decorating the upper staircase. Now decorating the roof. So the height of these designs are 1.7 by 1 centimeters. I have just cut the bottom in U shape to give it roof shape. So in total I have added 8 roof tiles. Then taking back my door, and first I am decorating the door from all the sides using thin cardboard strips as the frame of the door. Then adding one strip in the center as well. I have just cut 1 centimeter center strip little bit, connecting one more strip horizontally and filling the center part using small cardboard tiles to decorate the door. I have added here 5 tiles. And now to give realistic look to the door, I am adding few pieces of cardboard which are layered. So first adding these rectangular shape, then one more small piece in the center, and then square in the bottom. And the door is completely ready, so pretty. Then it's time to color this with traditional teal blue color. So here I am taking acrylic color, but you can also use chalk paints or fabric colors, whatever you have, but it should be waterproof. Don't forget to cover the sides as well. And now I am just coloring these upper tiles using yellow acrylic color. And the door is ready, so pretty. Then taking back my wall base, and it's time to color the base using white acrylic color first. So it's completely covered from all the sides. Then I am coloring the roof using dark brown color. Similarly, between each staircase tile I am adding same dark brown color to distinguish each tile design. Then here I have created the mixture of light brown color, white acrylic color, talcum powder and glue to make my own texture paste. And to add the texture on these tiles, I am applying the texture paste on top of this. Just add thick layer and create the texture using paintbrush. Like this. Similarly, completing both the staircases. And this is completely done. Very pretty. Then it's time to connect the door in the center. Here I have created two handles of the door using cardboard piece. I have just colored this with same yellow acrylic color. Then add lots of glue on backside of the door and stick it exactly in the center of the wall. And now it is becoming nice in shape, and without the flowers also this is looking super duper cute, isn't it? Then it's time to make the flower pot. So here I am taking 3 strips of dark brown color in 3 mm and making one tight coil. Then just passing pencil through this and making a small cone shape for the base of the flower pot. Like this. Then to create upper part of the flower pot, here I am taking 2 strips of dark brown color and wrapping it around the bottle cap and creating one ring shape. Then opening the string using fingers and make a dome shape. Add glue inside both the shapes and connect with each other. So the flower pot is ready. Now to make flowers, here I am taking half strip of yellow color in 2 mm, making one tight teardrop shape. Make a small dome and add little glue and connect with small wired pollen. And around the wired pollen I am adding total 3 these type of petals to create one flower. And the super cute flower is ready. Similarly, I have already prepared lots of flowers for my flower pot. Then taking here green color paper and cutting in V shape like this. Curl it. So this is the foliage around the flowers. So add little glue and tuck the foliage inside the flower pot. I have already added lots of foliages using light green and dark green colored strips. Now add glue inside the flower pot and I am filling this with dark brown color clay so that we can tuck the flower inside the clay. Now taking flower one by one, add little glue in the bottom and tuck inside the clay and arrange the flowers nicely. And the super cute flower pot is ready. Then taking back my base, and here I am creating some whale branches using dark green acrylic color and also creating the base for our flowers using pink shade, on top of which I am going to add my quilling flowers. So before attaching quilling flower, we have to prepare the base. Now here I am taking green color clay and creating small branches and connecting it on the base on which we have just painted. After attaching branches, it should look like this. Now I am showing you how to make flowers. So here I am taking 1/4 strip of dark pink color in 5 mm, folding it twice, just creating a small fringe flower like this. Dividing this 1/4 strip into half and using the small fringe strip, I am making a very small fringe flower. Just opening all the fringes and our super cute pink flower is ready. With the same method, I have already prepared lots of flowers with different sizes. Some are bigger and some are smaller in size. Then taking back my base, and one by one I am going to arrange these pink flowers like this. And this is completely ready, so adorable. Then at the end I am sticking my flower pot in bottom corner. And so cute, very adorable miniature Tuscan door decor is completely ready. Now you can just keep it as it is on the desk to decorate your space, or you can just convert this into fridge magnet by attaching strong magnet on backside. It's all up to you. And you can create these super beautiful European style door decorations. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. Thanks for watching. Bye.